Imagine standing on a beach enjoying the view, when suddenly a white and gray bird swoops down and almost steals your sandwich. Yes, my friends, today we are talking about the loudest, smartest, funniest, and sometimes the most shameless birds of the seaside, the seagulls. Seagulls, also called gulls, belong to the family Laridae, and the most common type is known by the scientific name Larus. These birds are native to almost every continent on Earth, living near oceans, rivers, lakes, and coastal regions of North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia, and even parts of Antarctica. For thousands of years, their ancestors have evolved perfectly to survive both on land and in water, which is why these birds are incredibly intelligent compared to many other species. A newborn seagull, called a chick, is very tiny at birth, usually weighing around 30 to 40 grams, and is covered with cute little fluffy feathers. As they grow, different species reach different sizes, but generally they become about 40 to 76 centimeters long and weigh between 300 grams and 1.8 kilograms. Adults have a wingspan that spreads from 1 to 1.5 meters, allowing them to glide effortlessly over the ocean. Most seagulls live a long life, often surviving for about 15 to 30 years if they stay healthy, making them the true senior citizens of the coastal world. Their body is designed like a perfect beach survival machine. They have a strong, slightly hooked beak that helps them crack shells, catch fish, and yes, sometimes steal food from humans. Their feet are webbed, which helps them swim smoothly in water, and their feathers are waterproof, which keeps them dry and floating easily on waves. Seagulls also have extremely sharp eyesight, and can spot food from a long distance. So, if you ever wondered how a seagull sees your chips packet from the sky, trust me, they know everything. Their lifestyle is bold, confident, and full of mischief. Seagulls are famous for eating almost anything they can find. They normally eat fish, insects, crabs, eggs, worms, and even human leftovers. Whether something is moving or not, seagulls often try to eat it anyway. One of their superpowers is that they can drink both fresh water and salt water because they have a special gland that filters out the salt. They enjoy living in cool and moderate climates, and they especially love the spring and summer seasons when food is easier to find. Seagulls are highly social birds and prefer living in groups called colonies. These colonies work like a big team, where they warn each other about danger, share information about food, and even hunt in groups. They communicate through a series of loud and funny sounds that might seem like screams, but each sound actually has a meaning. Whether it's about danger, anger, calling a mate, or announcing that someone has found food. During mating season, which usually happens in spring, male seagulls become extremely active. They try to impress females by performing funny dance-like moves, bringing gifts like fish, and showing how strong or clever they are. Once a pair forms, they usually stay together for many years because seagulls prefer a monogamous relationship. A female seagull usually lays 2 to 3 eggs at a time, and the best season for baby birth is late spring to early summer. Both parents take care of the eggs, protect the nest, and help raise the babies together. Baby seagulls are adorable fluffy creatures covered in brown spotted feathers, and they stay very close to their parents. They follow their mother everywhere, and the parents are extremely protective of their chicks. If anyone or anything tries to go near their babies, the parents immediately switch to attack mode, which can be quite scary but shows how caring they are. Baby seagulls learn walking, flying, and finding food from their parents, and they stay in the family group until they become strong enough to survive on their own. When it comes to humans, seagulls are not dangerous unless they feel threatened or if someone goes near their chicks. They are actually helpful because they clean up dead fish and leftover waste from beaches, keeping the environment tidy. They are famously known for stealing food from humans because of their quick reflexes and fearless attitude. But despite their naughty behavior, they live peacefully alongside people in most coastal areas. What makes seagulls truly unique is their intelligence. They can drink salt water, use tools like dropping shells from a height to break them, remember human faces, communicate in complex ways, and fly long distances with ease. They are natural survivors who adapt quickly to any environment, which is why they are found all around the world. Seagulls are not just birds, they are comedians, problem solvers, guardians of the ocean, and sometimes beach thieves with wings. So the next time you visit a beach and a seagull stare at you, just remember, it is not looking for friendship. It is definitely planning to steal your food.